Panikurka helps improve lactation in nursing mothers. The health benefits will be transferred to the child through milk. Panikurka addresses first aid too. Applying the extract of Panikurka leaves on the area relieves itching, infection, wounds etc. It is also an effective antidote for insect bites and scorpion bite. It is also used in the treatment of skin disorders, dandruff and different types of allergies. Panikurka can be consumed in different ways to minimize the bitter taste and strong odor. The juice is extracted from leaves by placing them on a hot tawa. The leaves will become transparent when hot. Remove from the tawa and squeeze them with your fingers. In case of grown-up, you can directly squeeze the washed leaves with your fingers to collect juice. Infants and toddlers. 2-3 drops of Panikurka leaves juice would treat chest congestion, cough, and cold in infants. 2-3 drops of the juice when applied on head would prevent cough and cold in children and adults. Panikurka leaves extract can be mixed with honey and applied on mother's breast so that infant will suck it when they drink milk. You can also apply Panikurka leaves on child's lips. Panikurka leaves extract can be mixed with powdered organic rock sugar, mishri in Hindi, kalkandam in Malayalam, and given to toddlers for throat infection, cough and cold. Children. When children complain of stomach pains, problem of worms, you can give Panikurka leaves extract mixed with sugar 3 times a day. For relieving cough, take a mix of Panikurka leaves extract, honey and lemon juice 2 times a day. Inhaling vapors with Panikurka leaves extract would cure cold and fever. Adults. Add few leaves of Panikurka into the boiling water for steam inhalation when you have cough and cold. If you are using vaporizer, dip a cotton ball into the Panikurka juice extract and put it in the mouth of the vaporizer. People suffering with gas trouble and flatulence can have heated Panikurka leaves extract with honey twice daily. Grown-ups suffering from bronchial asthma can consume Panikurka leaves extract mixed with honey and kalkandam. Please subscribe this channel for more informative videos.